Xiaomi has officially unveiled the highly anticipated Xiaomi 15 Pro, following the launch of the Xiaomi 15. This flagship model, succeeding last year's Xiaomi 14 Pro, comes loaded with advanced features and debuts Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Let's delve into its key specs. The Xiaomi 15 Pro sports a 6.73-inch 2K OLED curved display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440. It uses TCL CSOT's M9 luminous materials with a dual-layer microcavity emission structure, reducing power consumption by 24% compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro. The screen supports LTPO adaptive refresh rates from 120 Hz and 3-level screen partition refresh. It boasts a 300 Hz touch sampling rate and an instantaneous 2506 touch sampling rate, making interactions exceptionally responsive. The screen has a peak brightness of 3200 nits, along with a robust Xiaomi Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0, providing 25,030% better drop resistance. The Xiaomi 15 Pro comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, powered by the second-generation Oryon CPU. It delivers a 45% increase in both single-core and multi-core performance, coupled with a 44% boost in energy efficiency compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The phone also features LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and faster data speeds. Additionally, the phone features a wing-shaped circular cooling system with a 4053mm heat dissipation area, while Xiaomi's Hypercore microarchitecture scheduler boosts overall performance. The device runs on Xiaomi's latest Hyper OS 2, designed to optimize both user experience and system performance. It includes updated system features, seamless integration with Xiaomi's ecosystem, and better power management to extend battery life. Xiaomi 15 Pro's camera system is a major highlight. It features a Leica-powered triple-camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, Sony L900, 1.3, f1.4 aperture OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung S5KJN1 f2.2, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, Sony IMX858 OIS. The periscope camera offers 5x optical zoom and 10x lossless zoom, enhanced by Xiaomi's ALD, ultra-transparency coating, and Leica customized optics for improved image clarity. It also features ultra-zoom 20x for capturing more details. The front camera is a 32-megapixel OmniVision OV32B40 sensor, ensuring high-quality selfies. The Xiaomi 15 series also introduces dynamic photos, live photos, making it the first Android phone to support sharing and viewing on platforms like Weibo and Xiaohongshu, allowing users to capture and share engaging moments. The Xiaomi 15 Pro features a 6,100 mAh battery with high-voltage cobalt lithium and silicon-carbon nanotube construction, offering 850 watt-hours per energy density and 80% capacity after 1,600 cycles. It supports 90-watt wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging, with Xiaomi's Surge P3 and G1 chips improving charging efficiency and battery life. The Xiaomi 15 Pro also includes satellite connectivity, enabling 3.5 kilometers offline communication through its Surge T1S signal enhancement chip. It has Goodix Technologies' ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, IP68 water and dust resistance, and Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. The device also includes stereo speakers, USB 3.2 Gen 1, 5G P3, an X-axis linear motor, and an infrared remote control. Xiaomi 15 Pro is available in 3 colors: spruce green, rock gray, and white. It is also available in bright silver edition. The phone is now up for pre-order in China. It will go on sale from 10 a.m. CST on October 31st, starting at 5,299 yuan, 742 euro, for the 12GB 56GB variant. The 16GB 512GB variant is priced at 5,799 yuan, 812 euro, while the 16GB PlaTB variant costs 6,499 yuan, $910, with an additional 200 yuan, $28, for the bright silver edition. Xiaomi 15 Pro will be available for purchase through Xiaomi's official website, Xiaomi Mall, and authorized retail partners.